Oh, hi there. I didn't see you. We got a house. Gotta have that house. Well, we got a house, and I'm doing an empty house tour. Shout out to my sister for being the camera lady, and her baby is with me, my beautiful niece. She's gonna be doing the tour with me. Come in. Ta-da! Opening the door right from the entrance is our living room. So much lighting. It literally goes all the way up to the ceiling. And it's pretty much the heart of our home. So you guys, this app is so cool. It's the IKEA Place, where you can actually take furniture and place it in your space. Isn't that cool? Like, I actually got to see what the furniture would look like in the place. We didn't get this exact furniture, but it was just kind of a dupe of what it would actually look like. We've decided this is kind of the direction we'd like the conversation to face, is towards the window versus on the wall facing the door or opposite wall. It just made sense for the traffic to flow a little bit easier instead of in front of the TV. So this is how we set up the place. You can actually like walk around the furniture and see how it would fit in there, how you would navigate it. Again, this is kind of what it would look like. This is not gonna be the actual furniture, but you get the gist of it. With our kitchen, now we already got things and moved it in, so these are just before pictures, and this is how we ended up putting it together. This kitchen is really small, so we had to work with it a little bit. This kitchen island is ours. It didn't come with a kitchen, so it serves as both an island and our dinner table. This little pantry didn't come with a kitchen either. We decided that it would be a good idea to add this little pantry and just build it. That's why it's still got its stickers on it. We built it yesterday or the day before, put it up, and I'm thinking we may want to get another one because it's not taking up as much space as I thought it did. Thank you. Also ours. I'm so excited about it. It's our first appliance, and it's just like so open. I would have put so much food in it. Baby girl. We have such good air coming in. And our backyard is so huge. There's so much space for our dogs to run around. I'm so excited. These tables, so we're gonna definitely use it, take advantage of it, and make a little space out here. Those are like leftover bricks from the wall. At some point it was rebuilt and then we left the bricks for us, so we need to do something with that. Over here we had a little compost, which I've never had. I don't know how to compost, but I'm gonna learn because it seems fun. And I'm definitely going to garden because there's so much space. This is the guest bathroom. Nothing too crazy about it. It's pretty small, but it could use some TLC. So I'm definitely going to put my little touches on there. I want to put some shelves on here, maybe, or use this and like maybe put hooks on here. Put some little, like a little basket. I don't know. I have a lot of ideas. Oh. This bedroom may or may not be my office. That's still be to be determined. And it's got a fan in here, and it's nice and dark, which I would prefer for my office because I work on a computer all day, so I like the lights low. And I can easily just open the window and still get a ton of lighting in here. Oh, isn't that cool? You like it? Laundry room is right here, And we came with a washer and dryer. Got a little damaged in transit. That's okay. Nothing we can't fix. But I'm so excited about this because the drum is super huge. Super huge.
Ooh. Ooh. No agitator.
There's a lot of cabinet space up here, but it's really, really high. This room, we've already moved some things in, like small furniture from our other house. Art kit, little table. A lot of our art work is in here. Actually, all of our artwork is in here. So this is another possible office and or music room. So one of these will be my office, the other one will be Jared's music room. Hi! Hi, this is Sally's room. Oh, beautiful. Yeah, nice. This may or may not be in our room, I don't know. I'm just trying to figure things out. We have an available wall right here. Ideally, the bed would go here, in this space. So here's a terrible doodle of what it would kind of look like with our current bedstead in this room. Well, you can see it, right? There's no light in here because there's no power in the house yet. But this is our master closet. I've already put in a lot of my clothes on this side. Ooh. The Caesars though. Peekaboo! A bathroom, single sink. Whatever. I'm cringing. I really didn't want to comment too much about it because it actually gives me anxiety. As it's built, it's not really functional for anything. But you know what they say, when life gives you lemons, take that lemon, get some sugar and some water, mix it up, get you a lemonade stand, and secure that bag. So I'm actually going to do a video on how I'm going to dress this up and make it a little more functional and reorganize it. So stay tuned for that video. And then we have the bathroom. That is right over here. And I'm doing a lot of private relaxing in here. It does need a little bit of cleaning. So that's going to be in the next video. The whole house needs a bunch of cleaning, but tune in for my next cleaning video. You guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for coming on my little empty house tour and seeing my little space as it is now. And definitely stay tuned for more videos so you can see the after. Everyone loves a good before and after, right? Subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Also, if you have any suggestions, I would definitely love to hear it. Please help a sister out. Until next time, bye.